Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Alexis. Today, my husband has surprised me and said he wants to take me out for dinner. So I decided I would quickly do a face of makeup, and I may as well do a little bit of a tutorial while I'm at it. So if you're interested, keep watching. All right, so I want to do like a really pretty black and blue like smoky eye. So I'm going to be using my 3502 palette. So I'm going to be first going into this bone shade here, and I'm just going to be dusting that all over my lid. I've already done my primer, my foundation, concealer, and eyebrows because I wanted this to be a fairly quick video because it's already 4:30 in the evening and most places start opening at 6, so I wanted to do this relatively quickly because my husband wants to do a little bit of shopping tonight, so hopefully with the shop staying open late, we get to do both. Now I've left a bit of excess powder underneath my eyes to catch any fallout because I don't know how this is going to work. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to start laying down my blues. So first color I'm going to go in with is this really pretty, like, I don't even know what you'd call it, almost like a cornflower blue. And on the same brush, my E2 brush, eventually I will learn the names of these brushes. I'm just going to start dusting that in my crease. Oh, and I'm really excited because yesterday I happened to be out at the shopping center buying a pink shirt for work, and I stopped by the place that I get my eyes checked, my optometrist's office, and I found out that they do contact lenses now, but not only that, but they're only like 20 bucks a box. So I don't know what the hell it was that I bought at this other place that cost me $1,000, but yeah, so I'm really excited about that. I had my eye exam. She was like, "We've got a cancellation. We can get you in straight away." And I was like, "Oh, okay." So yeah, I had my little, even though I've worn contacts like most of my adult life, it has been several years and they have never fitted me for contact lenses at this place. So they wanted to get me into the appointment. And it was bulk billed, so I didn't have to pay anything. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So they fit me. They are ordering in my tester set. That should be in mid next week, which is awesome. And then if I like the brand that they have selected for me, then we'll order a couple of boxes, and that's gonna be awesome because then I can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, the next color we're gonna go in with is, I really like this blue, by the way. It's like a purpley frosty blue. It's really pretty. Next we're gonna go in with this dark blue here, and I'm gonna go in again on the same exact brush because I want this to be like a really pretty blue smoky eye. I'm just gonna intensify that blue, and I've just realized I've done this in the wrong order because I'm a genius. I am so smart. SMRT. Anyway, we'll work around it. We'll do it. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I can do this. I'm a smart cookie. Kind of know what I'm doing when it comes to my eyes. Oh, that blue is so intense. Oh, I love blue. I love blue. I know, like, for years it was really kitsch to wear blue, and like it was very 80s to wear blue. And it was very out of fashion, and I'm so glad that it's coming back, or it's come back as like an acceptable color to wear because it is just so pretty on so many people, especially if it's done right. Now, there are very wrong ways to do blues, And there are very right ways to do blues, and I'm glad that people have worked that out. So I've kind of made a mess of it. I need to blend that a bit better. But I have a feeling that's going to be covered up with black anywho. So I'm not too terribly worried about it. It's not the prettiest thing I've ever done. I'm actually I really should have gone in with a smaller brush, but that's my bad. I'll finish up with a smaller brush. I'm going to go in with, I can't remember who, whoa! I can't remember who it was that I saw doing this, but I saw them take their liner, their gel liner, and actually like use a concealer brush, pat it out on the lid, and then kind of buff it out a bit, and then apply a black shadow over the top of that, and it just created this beautiful smoky look. I think it might have actually been Alyssa Ashley. So I'm gonna take a note from her, a page from her book, and I'm gonna kind of do the same thing and see if this works out. And hopefully it does. Okay, I shouldn't have tapped that on the back of my hand, because that just caused it to dry way too fast. And real quick before that completely dries down, I'm going to go in with my E1 brush from ColourPop. And I'm just going to dust the black that's in the ColourPop palette, the black that is in the Morphe palette, and press it over the top and kind of buff out that black a little more in my crease. Sorry I'm right in the camera, but I'm actually trying really hard to see what I'm doing. All the while making really stupid faces. And now I'm using that brush to kind of buff that black up into the blue. Oh, that's kind of a cool effect. I kind of like that. What do you guys think? It's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm not being totally precise with this because the powder, I can blend it out a little bit. So I'm just patting that black in, dusting it, make sure I get it all over my lid, and just kind of using it, like I said, to blend. I've kind of bollocksed this eye up a little bit in the corner, but hopefully once I do the bottom lash line, I can kind of fix that and finagle it a little bit. So I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, my E9 brush. I am going to spray a little Fix Plus on it because I have a little bit of a bald spot just there. So I'm going to spray this, pick up that darker blue color that I was using, and just smooth it over there. Oh my god, that was a bad idea. Oh, that was a really bad idea. Holy samosas. Oh, that's an even worse idea. I have a bald spot. Alright, we're gonna fix this. Oh wow, I have just mucked this all up. Like, completely stuffed this up. Oh. Hate when I've got an idea in my head and it doesn't pan out. Do you guys ever do that with your makeup? You're like, oh, I got this. This is gonna look so hot. And then you start doing it and you're like, I have no idea what I'm doing. Why am I doing this? What is life? Alright, so no Fix Plus over the black. I still think this looks pretty fucking dramatic. Like, I like it. I'm just looking in the monitor, just kind of seeing where I want to take the rest of this. And I'm actually going to take that blue and run it underneath my waterline, the darker blue. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tightline that black, or I might just keep the blue and leave the black on the top as it is. I'm connecting the blue all the way around my eye. I am in love with this color. Holy crap. I hope my husband's not embarrassed to go out with me looking like this. I look really freaky right now. But I really like this effect. I really like this effect. I don't very often do like black on my lids because my eyes are so small and I feel like it's just accentuating it. But for some reason, Like, I feel like my eyes look massive right now. So I'm kind of digging it. I am going to use my 24/7 or my Urban Decay 24/7 waterline liner. I used to use exclusively the waterproof liner from MAC, the blackest, definitely black, I think is what it was. But they've stopped making that eyeliner. And I was like, all right, well, I've heard, a couple of people talk about the Urban Decay one, so I'll give that one a shot. I love this eyeliner. It does not puddle up in the corners of my eyes and get all gunky and weird. It goes on so smoothly, and it is such a pretty black. Like, it is a true, true black. See what I mean? Like, that is so dramatic and so pretty. Like, we're just going out to dinner, and here I am, full beat. Like, whatever. My husband loves me. That's all that matters. All right, just gonna dust off any excess powder I have under my under my eyes. And I'm gonna pop on some mascara. I'm going to be using my Lash Paradise today. I think the only thing that could take this to next level would be falsies, but we all know I don't know how to do them, so I'm not doing them. But wow, I look like I'm going out to a club, and my eyes look like super yellow, and I am totally fucking into it. Okay, next I am going to contour, blush, and highlight, and then put on some lippy, and we are done. So, guys, this is the end of the video. This is my final look. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I am going to go out to dinner with my husband. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!